In this video, let me show you how to use a Letterboxd news to track movie awards. So if you're trying to look at the movies that are nominated or the movies that have been awarded, there are basically two things or two sections that you can go into. The first one is going to be the journal section. So these are going to be all of the articles that are published inside of Letterboxd. So you can take a look at all of these articles that are published so that you can get information on what movies are getting awarded. Now this is a article section, so not only those articles will be published which are related to awards, but you're going to see all of the other topics as well. So this is not going to be the best section to view the awards. So what you need to do instead is tap on the search bar on the top and then search for Oscars. This is going to be the official page of Oscars inside of the Letterboxd platform, so that you can get direct notifications on any sort of information that is being released. So you just tap on the follow option, and once you hit that follow option, all of these notifications are going to be available to you inside of the activities tab inside of the You page. So by following this exact process, you'd be able to use the Letterboxd news to track movie awards. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to let us know by giving it a thumbs up. I'm going to see you in the next video.